Yes. Huh. Can you see the image now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Visible, sir.
Yes. Now I will talk on accuracy and precision. Now see this image, the left hand top image is showing high accuracy and high precision. I told you accuracy means how close you are to the target value. How close you are to the target value. Let's say you know that this center point is the target, and your value when you are doing a test, your value comes to the target very near to the target value. That is called highly accurate. And if you do the same test for 10 times and all the 10 values have given same value, then it is called very good precision. So this image shows that the value is within the target, and whatever the values you have achieved, that they are all within the near to the target only. So this image shows that the values are highly accurate and highly precise. So that it is having good accuracy and good precision. Now see the down image, left hand bottom image, second image, left hand side. So this you can see that the values are very near to the target value, but they are scattered around the target value. So the value seems to be accurate, so accuracy is good, but the precision, see one time you have got value here, the other time you have got value here, the other time the value is here. So likewise there is a variation in the values that you have achieved, but the value is near to the target. So this is called good accuracy and low precision. Low precision or poor precision. So high accuracy and low precision. Then the right hand side top image, you can see here, you can see the values. Let's say these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values are there, and the 6 values have fallen very nearer to each other, but it is quite far from the target. It is quite far from the target. So it indicates it is not accurate. So the value you are supposed to achieve is the center point, but the value that falls is far away from the target. So this is called bad accuracy or low accuracy. Low accuracy. But all the values that you have achieved are very nearer to each other. So it means that the precision is good. The precision is good, but the value, as it is not nearer to the target value, it is low accuracy or poor accuracy or bad accuracy, you can say. Okay. So this image shows that it is high precision, but there is very low accuracy because it is away from the target. Now see the fourth image, that is down right hand side bottom image. See there are 6 values, but 6 values have fallen at different places. Means they are not even close to the target, and they are not even repeatability is not there. Whereas in the right hand side top image, you can see that all the values are same values almost all. But here the values for the same test, same sample, same test, if you are doing, the values are entirely different. There is no association at all. There is no repeatability at all. So this is called low accuracy because they are not even close to the target, and they are not repeatingly giving the same value. So this is called low accuracy and low precision. So when you are considering any test that you are going to detect something, in that case you should consider these 4 parameters, that is accuracy, precision, sensitivity and specificity. Accuracy, precision, sensitivity and specificity. Any investigation based on these 4 parameters. This is very important in understanding the investigations of choice and while reporting also.